That's the last one for this crate.
Yeah, it's like that.
Looks secure. Let's move it. Keep coming back, slow now. Right there.
Chalk secured, doors opening.
All right, move these onto the line.
Watch the line, it's backing up again. I see it, pushing them through now. Confirmed. Approved. Moving on.
The moisture level is stabilizing right here. Good, good. Keep it steady for the next section. Check the specific gravity at the transfer point.
Reading steady at 0.92. Looks perfect. Look at the clarity on this batch.
Perfect. The filters are working efficiently.
Check the stability index on line 3.
Reading steady at 98%. Temperature is nominal.
The flow rate is stable at 200 liters per hour according to the tablet.
Yes, the consistency looks perfect as it enters the processing line.
Check the flow rate on Unit 4.
It's slightly high. I'll adjust the valve now.
Pressure at nominal. Batch clear.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Release to quality control.
Looks good, consistency is perfect.
Approved.
The valve is activated. Clear for release.
Confirmed on the checklist.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut oil from start to finish.